Good afternoon and Namaskar. Myself, Dr. Sushma Bahuguna from Department of Information, Communication and Technology of Tecnia Institution of Advanced Studies. Today, I am here to deliver a lecture on full stack development, the core elective subject of MCA program in second semester. Full stack development is the process of involving the building of both the front end and back end of the application. Full stack developers are responsible for the entire software stack from the user interface to the database. Full stack development is a dynamic and demanding field within web development. It requires a broad skill set, a deep understanding of various technologies, and the ability to adapt to a consistently evolving landscape. What does it involve? It involves the front-end technologies, the user interface and the code that the user interacts with. Key technologies for front-end development includes HTML, CSS and JavaScript, along with frameworks and libraries like React, Angular, Vue.js, etc. It also includes the backend technologies. The backend, on the other hand, involves server-side logic, databases, and application functionality. The database and the logic are not visible to the users. It is responsible for processing user requests, managing databases, and ensuring the smooth operation of the application. Common technologies for backend development includes programming languages such as Python, Ruby, Java, and Node.js, as well as the databases like MySQL, MongoDB, and Postgres. The database storage and management components like MySQL, MongoDB, and Postgres are used for storing the data in the backend. What skills do full stack developers need? Full stack developers needs the proficiency in multiple programming languages, frameworks, and tools, understanding of user interfaces and user experiences, cybersecurity skills, ability to adapt quickly, problem solving and communication skills. A full stack developer, therefore, has the skill to develop both the client side, that is the front end, and server side, that is the back end of a web application. This requires a comprehensive understanding of various technologies and the ability to integrate them seamlessly. Skills required for full stack development are: to excel as a full stack developer, one needs a diverse set of skills that spans across multiple disciplines. First, front-end technologies. It includes HTML, CSS. These are fundamental building blocks of web development used to structure and style web pages. JavaScript, the primary language for creating interactive web experiences. Various frameworks and libraries. Knowledge of tools like React, Angular, and Vue.js to enhance development efficiency and create robust user interfaces. Next is the backend technologies. It includes programming languages, proficiency in Python, Ruby, Java, PHP, or Node.js for server-side logics. Database understanding includes SQL, example MySQL, Postgres, and NoSQL databases. Server management, familiarity with server environment like Apache, NextGen, and cloud services like AWS or Azure. Versioning control includes Git, essential for tracking changes, collaborating with developers, and managing code base efficiently. DevOps and development CI/CD pipelines, knowledge of continuous integration and continuous development practices to automate testing and development. Containerization, experience with Dockers and Kubernetes for scalable application development. Soft skills, including problem solving, the ability to troubleshoot and solve complex issues. Communication, effective communication skills for working with a team and interacting with stakeholders. Ability and willingness to learn new technologies and adapt to changing requirements. Thank you. Hope you developed an understanding for full stack development. Do like, share, and comment Tecnia TV for more such topics.